Hello again, and welcome to another American Beauty product support video tutorial. Using the Model 105L5 high-capacity plier system, we are brazing a butt joint to form an elbow using machined brass tubing materials. Because this equipment can actually produce temperatures high enough to melt the brass components, a controlled thermal ramping is being used for this application. While pulsing the system power with the use of our foot switch, we can visually monitor and control the level of heat as we reach the temperature required for brazing. Once this level is reached, pulsing can be used to maintain the required temperature to allow the braze to properly saturate the joint.
You see what I mean about watching the heat?
Yep.
And I can kind of see a little bit of my braze paste right at the junction. And we'll go one more time. And we'll let her cool.
The primary purpose of our video library is to provide a general proof of concept relating to equipment recommendations for a variety of similar applications. If you haven't found a relevant video similar to your application, feel free to contact us for further assistance.